She's trying to get to her big brother she sees over there.
Nico, stay here.
Look at her, she's scooching along. She's not being shy about it. She's taking a break by the chair.
Hi, Didi.
Oh, oh, almost got some crawling action.
Come, Daddy, come.
Oh, she's crawling with.
Come, Daddy, come.
She wants to just jump over there. She's gonna. The leg slipped out. See if you can get Nico back down there.
Come, Nico. Come. I want to see you. Come on. Haha, cheating kids.
Yeah, she's all interested in that car seat when she's not in it.
No.
No, you're not gonna fall down.
I'll fall down the stairs.
No, you're not gonna fall down the stairs.
They're gonna catch you. They're gonna catch you. Hey, don't fall down.
Okay, I guess you lost her interest.
Alright, let's go. Butcha time. Butcha, butcha.